Welcome to another edition of the Smart Budget channel, and today we'll be doing a Dollar Tree product review of the 3 LED flashlight. Includes a carabiner, batteries included but not replaceable, and they are this is the stainless steel version. They have a red one, a blue one. I did not find a black one. There's a green one, and that's all I could find at the Dollar Tree. But the thing I like about this little mini flashlight, it has a push button on the top, push on and off, got a clicky. Just pull the tab out before first use. This takes 3 LR44 button batteries. They're already installed inside. It's too bad that they're not replaceable. Don't forget to pull this to activate. Yep. Alright. Let me go ahead and just take this carabiner off real quick. This flashlight, I have to admit, is very light. It is super light. It's like carrying nothing. It's pretty small. Let's compare it to the Streamlight MicroStream. Size comparison. So there you go. There's a size comparison there. A little measurement on this. It's under 3 inches. That's from the clicky tail end to this end. It's right under 3 inches. It's got 3 LEDs, as you can see here. And here's your clicky. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Not very bright. That's with it on. So, because it's not very bright, I'm going to give this product a thumbs down. Do not get this product because you need some light. See? And if you're going to have something this small in your keychain, you should be, I mean, that's just not very bright at all. You can barely see it on camera. So, again, do not get this product. It is in the electronics department. Don't waste your dollar on it. Thumbs down. Again, this is the Smart Budget channel, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button below. We do budget-friendly product reviews here, anywhere from prepper items to household items and everything in between. We do Dollar Tree hauls here, Walmart hauls. We do exclusive eBay and Amazon product reviews as well. We also do some life hacks here that can save you some money. We do some DIY projects here that can save you some money. We also do some personal finance talk here. We also do a seasonal EDC series, which stands for Everyday Carry, and we keep that budget friendly as well. If you're interested in any of those subjects, again, please hit the subscribe button below. And for all my returning subscribers, stay smart, stay on budget, and have a great day.